Hey guys, it's Coaster Confusion here. In this video, I will be making the control panel for my model drop tower. So as you can see here, I've cut out some pieces of wood so I can make a box for the control panel. Here I'm painting them just to give it a more presentable look. I look pretty experienced, right? To be honest, I think I'm really bad at painting. They came out okay because I did not do most of them. So now here I have 3D printed hinges so you can access the components inside of the control panel. Alright, so now I'll be focusing on this top board right here. As you can see, my dad's drilling some holes. These are for the large push buttons, which will include two dispatch buttons, 2 ride mode buttons, a reset button, and an e-stop button. Now this hole you see being drilled here is for the wires from the stepper to go to the tower base. I promise I'm experienced with the drill. Now this hole at the side is for the power so that it can be plugged in so everything inside of the control panel is powered. I'm not that good at using the jigsaw, so I decided not to do this part. But this hole is for the LCD screen, which is displayed in the center of the control panel. Alright guys, I just had a Coaster Confusion learning moment. So I was working on the insert for the LCD display, and I put the screen inside of it to test it out, to see how it illuminates behind the plexiglass. It was supposed to look like this. But for some reason, it only showed up as boxes as if I didn't send any code to it. I figured it'd be a wiring issue, so I checked all the wiring. But after checking it multiple times, I figured it was a problem with the screen itself. Considering the fact that I dropped it on the hard ground in my garage several times, I thought it was broken. So then I went to handy dandy Amazon and ordered another one. I was a little frustrated because I ordered a kit with the exact same screen, which is kind of expensive, and I thought I shouldn't be spending that much money on a small problem. So this new screen arrived and I go to test it out and the problem still hasn't been fixed. So I go to check the wiring one more time and one wire is in the wrong spot. So lesson learned, always check your wiring. Could have been an even bigger problem.